everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make crispy hash browns in a frying pan. My daughter has been to potato digging from elementary school and we got some potatoes. It reminds me of the time at the kindergarten. We've been to potato digging together. Anyway, kids said they wanted to make hash browns. You can use a frying pan to make it. It's really quick and easy. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. I think most people in America call it hash browns, but in Japan it's called hashed potatoes, hashed potato, even at McDonald's. Finely chop the potatoes and place them in a microwavable bowl. Cover and microwave on medium for 7 minutes. Mix in Katakuriko potato starch, cornstarch is okay, half teaspoon of salt, and pepper. Divide it into 5-6 pieces and shape them into oval patties. Using plastic wrap is easy. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan and cook both sides until golden brown. Serve with ketchup if you like. And now it's done! Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Very delicious, you must try. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more potato recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
いただきます。おいしい。ちょっとだけ海外と優しいのが混ざってる感じ。
なんて素敵なコメント。
子供でも食べる。寝るお布団みたいにふわふわして。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタンを押してね。バイバイ。